Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer live here on this Tuesday morning. Hopefully you are ready for some pretty steamy weather that's going to be building into West Michigan over the next several days. Starting today, the humidity levels will be surging. A beautiful start to the day, a quiet and mild morning looking out over Holland, downtown Grand Rapids. We've actually pivoted the camera to look off to the north and east, and what a beautiful sunrise it is that is unfolding across the region this morning. Temperatures are holding steady in the 60s to even some low 70s on the way, and there will be some inland areas that make a run at 90 degrees this afternoon. And if you don't hit 90 today, likely to hit 90 Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday. Some really hot air is going to be on the horizon. Temperatures today, this is the hour-by-hour forecast. Official highs likely to reach the mid to upper 80s this afternoon. We are tracking not just the heat building, but the humidity surging as well, and that could set the stage for a few pop-up storms today. Better chance of seeing strong to severe storms tomorrow during the afternoon and evening. We've got a level 3 risk all the way up to areas just south and east of Grand Rapids, including a big portion of Berry, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun counties. A hot weekend of weather is ahead with high temperatures near 90, and our average high is now right around 80 degrees. So we do have those dew points that are projected to reach the upper 60s today and tomorrow. Once we get dew points much above the 60-degree mark, it starts to feel a little on the sticky side, and certainly as we approach 70 with the dew points, we are looking at the really hot and humid air, and we'll see a dew point forecast right around the 70-degree mark on Saturday as well. So the satellite radar composite this morning will have some big holes in the clouds. Warm front is lifting through just off to our north, and at least currently the most active weather is along and just to the north of that warm front. Now, as we look at the future track, I just want to draw your attention to the fact that we could see a few spotty showers or thunder showers develop at just about any time today. Anything that would develop today, very short-lived, but could produce some pockets of locally heavy rain, but for a brief period of time. During the day tomorrow, we'll see again a good area of dry weather, especially through mid-afternoon. This is as of 5:30 tomorrow evening, and as you can see, we'll see a line of really intense thunderstorms roll through, and those will be pressing eastward very quickly. There'll be so much energy in the atmosphere that it will be very strong winds, locally heavy rain, and possibly even some small hail that will be developing. Will clear out early Thursday, most of Thursday dry, and then we could see an isolated area of showers and thunder showers return later Thursday into early Friday. Here's a look at those precip chances. Again, the red bar on Wednesday indicating that potential for severe weather that does include the level 1 in the greens, the level 2 in the yellows, and where you see the oranges there, that's the level 3 out of 5 for the potential. So a strong likelihood we'll see some pockets of severe weather. Today on Lake Michigan, those water temps have started to warm with that stronger southwesterly wind and the potential for a few showers and storms. We do have likely the yellow flags to be flying at some of those beaches south of the southern facing piers and breakwaters. Otherwise, the 7-day forecast shows that hot air really surging in as we head into the weekend, and get used to it. The 8 to 14-day outlook, which takes us through the end of June, keeping a lot of warm air building across the central and eastern United States, including the Great Lakes region, likely several days with highs in the 80s and 90s.